here trying to be normal, but I'm kind of like, is this what you imagined your life would be like when you were going to high school here? Is this what you saw?
No, absolutely not.
What were you thinking?
When I was in high school? But you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
I think what a lot of kids are thinking. You know, I always knew I wanted to be an actor since I was a kid, and people used to actually make fun of that fact because I'd say, you know, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I'd say, I'm going to be an actor, and because it just seemed like such a ludicrous idea. But yeah, I always knew what I wanted to do. I just never did anything about it until after college.
And it's not to say that people like, for instance, Jennifer Lopez, not the greatest singer in the world, makes great hit records. We wouldn't be attracted to each other except in, you know, that other way.
Your record,
she's
I wouldn't know.
But you know, I mean, she makes great records, but she's not for me. I love great singers, and that's why, you know, I'm attracted to people like Michael and Celine and Whitney and Natalie and, you know, people like that.
You've won 16 Grammys.
Yeah,
16 Grammys. Most people are lucky if they could win one.
If the flip side of that though is I've lost 30 times, but that's some of the story.
Just to be nominated, oh my gosh.
No, winning's better, according to Charlie Sheen.
All right, what is it?
I'm a winner.
Yes, well, you should be in that list he's talking, spouting off about. What is your favorite Grammy win?
Well, probably, you know, you were showing the clip of Earth, Wind & Fire, which I just love that band. And I remember in 1979, I was, I guess, 30 years old or younger, and I sat with Earth, Wind & Fire, and I went, here's a song I wrote, oh, after the love was gone. And I did that, and the band went, we love that song, we're going to record it. I said, great, when? They said, tonight. And that was really the start of my producing and writing career.
Do you know when you write a hit that it's going to be a hit? I mean, is there something in your mind that...
No, there isn't really. I mean, you know, you put it out there, you write 100 songs to get one hit, and there's no real way of knowing. I mean, people think, oh, you've got this great talent for discovering talent and for knowing a hit song. I don't know a hit song any better than anybody else does.
But apparently you do.
Well, I mean, the thing is, I think like the average person, which is what you have to do in order to create a hit song or to find a hit artist. I want to find the thing that millions of people, like all these people in your audience, I want to find somebody that they love. I don't want to be an elitist.
Right. You know, one of our viewers on my Facebook page wanted to know why you aren't a judge on American Idol, and have you ever been asked? And do you find talent on do you watch American Idol?
I do watch American Idol. I think it's great this year. I thought it was great with Simon. I think it's great with the new crew. I have been on there a few times.